And it's a wrap after a number of days of incredible workshops here at the African Schools Football Tournament. Today, UNICEF is here in collaboration with CAF to deliver exciting workshops for young football players on their rights. It is important for children to know about their rights, what they're entitled to, and how they can be better protected, particularly in the context of sports, where we know that it is incredibly important for them to feel safe, to feel like they are heard, and to be able to really thrive and realize their full potential.
I'm super excited that we have finally welcomed UNICEF to be part of the African schools, which is very amazing. And I think for every child we have to protect the dream, and it starts by making sure that we make the kids understand that they have every right and they have their rights as well.
Nancy do baby kwala no nya akonya enya contracts ebi wo ho mo ntia se na ya sheda ama mo assign fake contract akese enti no se se o mo so mo rights we say o mo diso enti no o ba tan bia mbo ne ba ho ban.
Today's workshop was an amazing one. We spoke about children's rights and sports. We shouldn't be selective. We should love ourselves in the field of play, no matter how the person plays.
We are really trying to groom these young girls at an early age, that they understand that education is equally important to their talent. So it's good to see also throughout the workshops that the girls are engaging, you're building the character, you're building the confidence.
Together, let's protect the dream for every child.